I'm not kidding y'all, this is the best chicken spaghetti I've ever made. All right y'all, for day 22 of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators recipes, I've got AAlaina Hale's Crockpot Chicken Spaghetti recipe. Let me show you how she makes it. So you're gonna start with about a pound of chicken breast. This is 1.4 pounds to the bottom. 1 can of Rotel tomatoes. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. All right. Half a block of cream cheese. 6 ounces of Velveeta cubed. And shredded Colby Jack cheese. A little splash of chicken broth. A little bit of salt, paprika, black pepper. Stir this a little bit. All right, cover it. I'm gonna cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours and I'll see you when it's ready. All right, this has been cooking on high for about 3 hours. I'm gonna take the chicken out and cube it up. Yum. I'm gonna take kitchen scissors and just cube this up. I cut them into like this size pieces. Put this right on back in. Give this a nice stir. All right, I've got 1 pound of this pot-sized spaghetti. I'm gonna boil these noodles. Spaghetti noodles cooked, so we're gonna add those in. It's a nice toss. You could totally stop here, but she adds even more Colby Jack cheese, and you know me, I'm a cheese girly. So we're gonna add whole bag. I'll let this cheese melt on the top. I have this on low. Let this cheese melt for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're gonna dig in because I'm starving. All right, y'all, this is ready. I added a little bit of parsley on the top and let's dig in. I love chicken spaghetti. I've never done it in a crock pot. Oh my gosh, this is outstanding. Let's try the chicken. This is absolutely insane. Perfect for kids going back to school. I'm not kidding y'all. Y'all gotta go make this. Go make this.